I've learned a lot in the last few years about the amount of subsidies and tax breaks that have gone to the nuclear industry as well as coal and oil. And my understanding is that those subsidies are much higher than for renewable energy even now in 2007. My question is, with a lack of federal leadership on the issue of climate change in recent years, what place can nuclear play, or would nuclear play, in a future where there was equal subsidies for renewable energy, coal, oil, and nuclear? Would it still be an option?
Anybody?
The numbers I've seen are that you could fund some of the renewable projects, especially solar, 2 or 3 times, and it still doesn't compete on an economical and closing basis. The fact is, almost all types of energy, all types of research, many types of production are subsidized to one degree or another. The question is, who's paying, who's benefiting? And those are hard questions that you have to look at. You have to really analyze some numbers and say, well, what does it take to invest to produce this energy? There's no doubt in the fact that nuclear is incredibly competitive because of the fact that the fuel is relatively inexpensive and it generates an incredible amount of heat, which is used to turn these turbines.
So I've heard it's up to $20 billion a year in federal tax money that's going to the nuclear industry, and less than $20 billion a year for the nuclear industry, and less than $1 billion for the renewable energy industry. I'd like to hear if that is anywhere near what anyone's understanding is, or what it really is.
Well, when you speak of $20 billion going to the nuclear industry, and any federal money coming into the industry, are you including the federal money that goes to research and development? You know, the Department of Energy budget for nuclear R&D is in the hundreds of millions of dollars, hundreds of millions, to develop the next generation reactor that is safer, more effective, more efficient, and that research continues. The subsidies that a lot of renewable